Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this new episode of Cup TV brought to you by Craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at gorgeous design from AsSnezanaDesigns, and the cup number is cup981771_1641. The kit is actually called the Festive Christmas House with Santa Decoration Card Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets with an extra sheet of decoupage, and all these sheets have been printed on the print and post service from Craftsuprint. They're on the glossy paper and it's such a fabulous print, and it's going to look great on all your cards and any of the items that you use from Craftsuprint. So let's have a look at the sheets that you get. So you get the first main sheet with the front image of the Christmas house with the Santa on and sentiments as well. The second sheet, now this kit I would say is for decoupage lovers, because you do get lots and lots of bits to be able to cut out to build up the decoupage front on your card. In fact, don't just think cards for this one, think scrapbooking as well. This would make a gorgeous scrapbooking page for anybody wanting to preserve the Christmas memories, and that you'd still have enough left over to be able to make a card as well. So that's the decoupage sheet, and then we get another Christmas house without Santa on. I'm going to use this for the back of our card, but you could use it again for the front of a card, or as I say, for a scrapbooking page. It would look gorgeous. Then we've got some more decoupage Santa and some mini houses, and then we've got a bonus sheet with Santa on and the house again. So we're going to make up our gorgeous Christmas house, and what I've done is I've made a base card. I've used the Crafty Bob matte cardstock in white, and I've cut out 2 pieces of card. One was 10 inches by 6.5 inches and the second was 9 inches by 6.5. And for the one that was 10 inches, I've scored an inch in to 9 inches, and I've just folded it over and I've attached it to the second sheet to make a card. So I hope that makes sense. And that makes me a nice tall card to make our card with. Now, I did say there's lots and lots of decoupage with this. I'm not going to have time to use absolutely everything, but that's the beauty of crafting. You don't have to use it all. You can do, or you can use the elements that you want to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do the back of our card. And for this, I'm going to use one of the houses that's in the kit, and I've got it on flat tape, and I'm just going to peel off the back of the tape. So it's just normal double-sided tape, and I'm going to position the house just roughly about there on the back of our card. Make it nice and central. And I think that looks awesome already for the back of a card. So now we can turn our card to the front and we can do the inside. So what I thought was, because I'm not keen on seeing this join. Sometimes it doesn't matter, sometimes you have things to put over it. So what I thought was I would take a piece of normal cardstock that I had in my stash, and I've just cut it to just over an inch, and I've used a scallop punch, and I've just punched a scallop design, and I'm just going to pop it over the join like that, and I'm going to snip away the extra at that side there. There we go. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to pop one of the mini houses that was included in the kit. I've just got it on flat tape, and I can peel the back away. And I'm just going to pop mini house over just part of the actual scallop cardstock I've just popped in. And that makes a gorgeous inside for our card because it's going to match perfectly. and it just hides that little seam for the card. So now we can decorate the front of our card. So I've got the main image, which is the main Christmas house with Santa and the train and the trees. Again, the main image I've got on flat tape, just general double-sided tape, which is available from Craftsuprint. So I can peel the back away and pop the image just like we did for the back. And for any new crafters, don't be afraid to try this kit. It might look like there's a lot in it and a lot to do, but like we touched on, you can do as much or as little as you like. There we go. And press that down. So that's the front of our card. So now we can start building up our elements. The first element that I've got, and these are on 3D foam, is part of the roof, and I'm just going to pop that over the top. Now, for new crafters, decoupage is building up the elements over the top of one another, giving it a 3D effect and building the layers up. So the next item I've got is the Santa with the train. Again, I've got it on 3D foam, so I can just match the image up and pop it over the top of the previous image. I know it's difficult to see when it's on film because I'm doing it all flat, but you'll see it when we get to the end, and I'll show you the side. So next I've got part of the canopy for the front of the house, again on 3D foam. We've got the little balcony. So you see how you can pick and choose which bits that you're going to add. I've got two of the windows like that, and second window. I've got a little present at the bottom here, and got another part of Santa, so we can pop him on. Again, all on 3D foam. There we go. And last but not least, the tiny bells in the middle on the canopy. There we go. Pop those on. And that is our card finished. So you can see how the layers are built up. There's extra decoupage if you wanted to add more. If you wanted to add the sentiments, add the bows. That's the outside of our card. We've got the inside, and then we've got the back of it, and it's just such a beautiful design for Christmas. Stands up nice and tall, and wow, anybody would love to receive that one. So Christmassy and so festive. I'd just like to remind you of the cup number for this. This is cup 981771 _ 1641 from www.craftsuprint.com. It's by Snezana, and you can see more of her designs if you go to Craftsuprint. And I just hope you've enjoyed watching, and I'd like to say thank you for watching, and we shall see you in the next episode.